All right, everybody, welcome back to the podcast. Today, I have one of my mentees on a call. Her name is Miss Winnie Lee. and I believe you joined the mentorship about 2 months ago, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, it's been about 2 months.
I think it's been about 2 months so far, okay? So I decided to do a quick call with Miss Winnie Lee so that you guys can hear a background story on her and why she decided to start a cleaning company and so on and so forth. So, Miss Winnie Lee, you have the floor. Please let everybody know your name, let them know your company name, and why did you decide to start a cleaning company of all companies?
Okay, well, I'm Winnie Lee. My company is Pro Detail Cleaning Solutions. Mm-hmm. And I started a cleaning company because it was something that cleaning is something I love to do. I've always been cleaning. I cleaned out of high school for a while, and many times you hear follow your passion. So I knew that I could get right into cleaning and start making money right away. So that was one of the reasons why.
Okay, good. Awesome. So how did you hear about Tenacity Academy?
Well, when I was making a decision to grow my company into more of an office cleaning business, away more from house cleaning, I just started doing research on YouTube, and I came across Miss Johnson. And one of the things that stood out to me is she spoke a language that I understood. And she was, Miss Johnson, just very thorough. And so I like that. So that's what made me know that if you speak my language, if you are thorough, I knew I could learn and grow quickly.
Awesome. So since you've started your cleaning company and, it's been a tough ride the first couple of months, what can you say you've been struggling with the most in your cleaning business?
Well, I am working on transitioning my house cleaning into office cleaning. So that's a transition and a process in itself. Mm-hmm. But of course, always trying to get more business is always the challenge. But of course, when I signed up with Tenacity Academy, that is what really helped me to get off to a good start with the scheduled appointments that I got from the mentorship. That has helped me to get my foot in the door.
Awesome. Well, tell us a little bit about your first contract that you got with Tenacity Academy.
Well, it's an apartment complex, and Ms. Johnson informed me well that it's a process to get your credentialing together, but once you do, then you really see the reward of that effort. And so that's exactly what happened. It was a little process back and forth for weeks because you got to make sure you have the proper insurances and so on and so forth. And she was encouraging, always calling me every week, asking me how it was going, so that, because it can be discouraging, going back and forth. But she never let me get discouraged. She kept checking on me, and I appreciated that. And finally, I got approved with everything. Turned in my bid to the apartment complex, and it's a go. So I'm really excited about this new contract, because what I found out is that not only will I be doing their clubhouse, but I also got invited to bid on 5 other buildings there on the complex, as well as their move-in, move-out cleans. So it looks like it's going to be a really lucrative account.
Oh my gosh. You hear that, guys? That's a blessing. Now, how long would you say that it took for the whole compliance process? Because I deal with a lot of mentees that they get discouraged. And one thing I liked it about you, Miss Wendy, is you kept pushing. And I told you have to stay on top of the compliance people, and you just kept following up. Hey man, the money is in the follow-up. So you stayed on top of them. And how long was that process before they told you, okay, you have been approved and we're going to work with your company?
It was about, I'll have to say, it was probably about a 3-week, maybe just 4, not longer than that.
Mm-hmm.
And the discouraging part is sometimes you think you give what they're asking, but then they always let you know if there's still a deficiency with it. So, but I just feel like it's a learning process.
Right.
Now I got it. Now I understand exactly what I need going forward. Because I plan to also take on another apartment complex. So at least now I have what I need.
Okay, so what does the future hold for you, Miss Winnie Lee? You and your company?
Well, I am hoping to, run a successful office cleaning business. I have experience in other aspects of cleaning, but I'm trying to just kind of stay focused. But uniquely, as I explained to you once, Ms. Johnson, I'm actually using my house cleaning business to fund my office cleaning. And that has been great because, it takes money to make money sometimes when you're growing to another level. I've been doing the cleaning, but I needed help and mentorship to help me to go to that next level. And so that's what Tenacity Academy has helped me to do. And hopefully my goal is I have my husband bought me a big organic whiteboard. Mm-hmm. And so I already got my whiteboard filled with my goals for the year. And I'm looking forward to making more money than I ever made this year.
Yes. We're going to definitely speak that into existence, baby. Okay. So, tell the people where they can reach you at, your website name, your Facebook, Instagram, any type of information that you can put out there in case anybody wants to reach out to you for your services.
Okay, well, some of that is still in the works.
Okay.
My website is prodetailcleaning.com.
Okay.
And I am just getting my, this is because all of this is connected to my office cleaning. So my Instagram and Google, those are the two main that I use, and LinkedIn. Okay. Those are the platforms mostly that I can be found. But I'm actually working on that now to get that more into play. But prodetailcleaning.com is where my website is, and any contact information can be found there.
All righty. You guys heard it, prodetail.com, cleaning.com. Okay, you guys. So it's been great. I thank you so much for taking the time out to do this quick interview with us. I know we are very busy women. So, I'm not going to hold up all of your time. All right.
Well, thank you. It was my privilege. I just want to add one last thing. That
yes.
If anybody is, really thinking about going into the cleaning business or growing their cleaning business, investing in yourself is the key. Because like Ms. Johnson said, you pay for the mentorship, but you make that back very quickly. When you get rolling.
Yes. Thank you for that. Because all it takes is one contract, right? That's all it takes.
One contract. And with the one contract, you still get ongoing training thereafter.
There you go. So it's not a bad investment. Not bad.
Nope, it's worth it.
Right. I appreciate you so much, Miss Winnie Lee. Okay. I definitely want to have you back on for a recap in the next 6 months to see where you're at, if you're even hiring. And, I want to really document my mentees' growth in the cleaning industry. Okay. So we'll definitely have a recap in the next 6 months. So you just keep grinding so you can have a wonderful testimonial to tell us in 6 months. Okay.
Johnson, for all that you do. Thank you so much. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep it moving.
Okay. I thank you as well. Until next time, you guys, I'm out of here. Bye-bye.
Bye.